Why does your scanner show the P0563 engine code? What does it mean? P0563 is a diagnostic trouble code for system voltage high. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's computer, usually the PCM, has detected that the voltage in the electrical system is higher than the acceptable range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty alternator, bad battery, voltage regulator issues, corrosion or loose connections, faulty PCM rare. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.